At the time of this recording, I'm in the second leg of this program, in the sense that during the first leg, I did a 30-day meal program. And this was back in November, December 2022. And now we're in June, I'm on the next 30-day program. So during these 6 months, there was enough abuse that happened. And thanks to which I said, I need to bring some semblance of control back into my diet, and therefore I decided to do the program again. So I took the 30-day program again. And the good thing is that you can opt in and opt out of this program at any point in time. LiveAltlife offers very flexible meal plans that you can opt for. It could even be for a week, it could be for 10 days, whatever that you feel like. The good part also is that once you're done with this program, they have the option of even teaching you or coaching you through how to cook in your own kitchen the same kind of meals that have otherwise been delivered by them. On top of that, they also have a store which also helps in procurement of many of the things that you might not want to or have the time to prepare in your house, and therefore there is an avenue for you to go procure. In addition to that, in my previous conversations with the coach and other teams of LiveAltlife, I've also understood that they do help with understanding how you can keep with the program on your own without really having to subscribe from LiveAltlife. That is how you get good quality ingredients for the food, how do you go about the recipes, how do you make them, probably even coach your cook to do that for you, so on and so forth. So that's a great deal of help for somebody who has been in the program, wants to continue doing it on their own as well in future, just to make sure that they have a sustained benefit of the program that lasts much longer.